everyone. I'm using gencrafts today, but for my white, I only had a little bit left out of their white. So I added to it some of my own white, which is house paint. So I only added a little bit. So it shouldn't make too much of a difference, but I have used pre-mixed paint with my white background before and it works out just fine. So let's get started. I'm going to do a flip cup. Let's start with burnt umber. And then red lava, which is a metallic. And neon yellow. Oops. Forgot to take the metal off of the neon yellow. Hang on a second. Let me just pop this open. Do. There we go. Now some copper gold. And cadmium red. And metallic pearl yellow. Set that aside. Dump my white on. Tilt this around. This is an 8 by 8 inch wood panel from Arteza. I love it. They're, how thick is that? Probably 1.5 inches thick maybe. They're really nice and sturdy. And again, I always resin my wood pieces because I like the way it looks. But you definitely do not have to. Pick up some white. Get all the sides. Wipe my hands. Torch the bubbles. I might try and pour off some more. I don't want a whole lot of, I don't want too much paint on here because I realized I filled, that was a 2-ounce cup that I filled with the colors. And this is only an 8 by 8 inch canvas, or wood, whatever you want to call it. So it's going to cover up almost all of it. Those are really pretty colors. Really pretty. I was iffy about the burnt umber. You know, it's kind of, I don't add brown to a lot of my paintings. But I'm really glad I did. It adds a depth that I don't think I would have had otherwise. Let's help it go over the side a little. Tilt it this way a little bit. some white on my finger. See if I can get that to go over this. There we go. Got a little bit over the side. That's too far tilted, so I'm going to tilt it back a little bit. Just helping it over the side. Torch this puppy. That turned out pretty cool. You can see the sides. Such pretty sides. I love that yellow over there. That's the metallic-y yellow. So it'll be real pretty when it dries. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.